think you only need around 1 meter. Yeah, and a normal sewing machine with zigzag stitch or only an overlock. So now we can start with the front and back. I put it here right sides together, like this. And then we can sew here the shoulder seams, both with around 7 millimeters. So only with your normal serger or zigzag stitch. So then we can start with the sleeves. So I open it. Here the nice side is on top, and with here the side with the small notch, this is the front, and then we have our sleeve with the notch. Also here's the front, so we have to check which one it is. This is my left sleeve. And this is my right side, so I need the other one. So here's the notch. Yeah, this is my right side. So now I place the sleeve here, right sides together, notch to notch. Then I place the shoulder notch on the seam here, on the shoulder seam, like this. So, and then we can sew it here. And then we can sew it here, also only with the serger or zigzag stitch from the front to the back, and then I do the same with the other side. So, and then we can place it here, right sides together. So, also the sleeve. Like this. And then we can sew here with the serger on both sides. And then we can do the lattice hem. So now we can sew the lattice hem at the neckline, sleeve hem and body hem. And for this I use here I place it here two and here 2 7 millimeters, and here this little thing here, because of this here the small, I pull it back, then the width of the seam is smaller, and then we can sew. So then we can sew it, but I sew it as stretched as I can. So and at the end we can make a knot here. I always use a needle to pull it here very close to the seam. If you want, you can also do it a little bit here to the inside and sew here with the normal sewing machine, but I can cut it here. So, and then I do this with all the hems and the neckline, and then we're done.